It has been noticed that the transfer orders of the officers are not being affected promptly. Full stop. In the first instance, the officer manages to delay his relieving from, from the earlier station of posting to the extent possible, full stop, and thereafter he tries to tap all the available sources to get the transfer orders modified in case the station of posting does not suit him, full stop. In the event of non-acceptance of his request, the officer does not even hesitate to go on unsanctioned leave, full stop. It is tantamount to indiscipline and hinders the normal functioning at the station where he is posted on account of the post remaining vacant for an indefinite period, full stop. Some of the officers do not even apply for regularization of an unsanctioned leave availed for a year or two, full stop.